In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance an image in Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your desktop browser. Once you're inside the platform, head to the Library section. This is where Leonardo stores your generated images and uploaded files, so it's the easiest place to find the image you want to improve. After that, click on your uploads. If the image you want to enhance is in your history feed or among your uploaded files, you can locate it there. Take a moment to find the correct image before moving on, especially if you have several similar versions saved in your library. When you've found the image, hover your cursor over it. As you do, an overlay menu will appear on top of the image. From that menu, click the upscale icon. This option is what opens Leonardo's image enhancement tools and allows you to improve the resolution and detail of your selected image. Next, you'll be asked to choose between Ultra or Pro to trigger the Leonardo Pro upscaler. At this stage, you'll also decide how closely the enhanced version should match the original. Choose Precise if you want the layout and overall appearance to stay very close to the original image. Choose Creative if you want Leonardo to generate additional fine detail, such as more texture in clothing, surfaces, or facial features. Precise is usually best when accuracy matters, while Creative can be helpful if you want a more polished or richly detailed result. Once you've selected the option that fits your goal, click Upscale. Leonardo will then process the image and create the enhanced version for you. That's all it takes to enhance an image in Leonardo AI Desktop. If you want the cleanest result, it helps to start with the best source image available, since upscaling works best when the original already has a solid composition and clear subject matter.